Torgbuiga Akpo Jebla na lia manyibano. Avalada gbagudia tonlia manyibano. Torgbuiga adala cheche kusoshi atonlia duchi fiaga na vata manyibano. Nyata po nyama chicho glo nyada dadi. Torgbuiga glede pa mfuma. No jivide atoy chwanko na via. Evima chwanko na dokio. Mi dojivu afi odo fia oba da dijive ya temia. Suzuka ejo. Afia untopo la Ghana jukwayama. Afi obo yo fiara o gazette where House of Chiefs are. It's not a fluke. Manya unko nya jo. Oto nwoma kotapa. Weta court la Ghana enya bana klama court today. Afi aba ako unsa koda kotata. Anya ogbono ayeje na zoro. No nyaba former V wo gbavuado. Va pa shida afia yo kontofa do kwito nyanya jim. Yo nyaba former day na former Andre amalajiji. O klon court vovovo hu klon mi Supreme Court ha. No yifu anya ve ajoji ako shinyagbo. Na nya ve ajoji o shinyagbo. Jiwienne o ma duji da kamoa afia ba nana la domi o ma glo na jumavi o nya da kon baba na jumavi o mi apa media to mi apa do mi la ka do ma do na mlo nyi ko sanya do la radio tv oji a anya jivanya nyama wo susu ba gba ma va fia kra fohun je fi o la fia ma gbo no ba nyama fodo ga fia vinya o katanya no daje she ba ma da lango no kwa over doda chene bo pundam kaka fia wado de do ya voy madara bo awie mado ala ba ajuana sanyada tafla chele nya fa fia gbla ma nya tapo nya ba afia papa man ko ma yone ju ikanya nko ma dana raji kaka choko awa ban pa do mala ju benya du si fia gana batawa bana na mo glema unchu la batalo nyong bamara kama la batafio viona siegba Johnny atia 2018 afio do jije po fo magbonyova enye ngogban la da mo ba no du jiji mama pomba amado nyama ti wa wo dokple afi nyamanya ba fo dada onyama wo agba wonya meka no ju ya gbamre tajina ma majiba media mi na juana siba na mado ju ya gbamagba Johnny atie kaba William Haji Emmanuel Zomalo Platoto the hando kiyomba enya Cletus Kuzagba nyamanya ka chomo logikito efiato nyamanya afia la de kpontoma ta flache de kpontoma me fiara kalio togbi hanyra na lia alamia do mafia ye hala de kpontoma fia tata de ka na yi de kpontoma togbi banichi alafma o katanya vava wia ye madam wona foma ba no dawda jiji no ba kpadam nyam ya klo batajua afia de ka fu bla alofa de ka platon hanu kpadam mia vata fia ma kuku daga na fiara ka bana da taguna miu kaka me ba vata na nyode mi do ka gli vata na fa nyama igabo anya pie kuma aglen vata fa yana mawu amara fiara ta amamo wo manto hade awona ma ba manye da funu na da manya na ma mo wonyi cho ma we no troji magba tere mia fia hu de mia ho above ado adam no awo dokpelo ayi jipia man no nyira fia susuita ma va fia ai to bi so shifun wa ma juro nkra ba ma gbonyara ka ga chun agbonya ko ayo won na ma kwa fata fa gbagba ji ko imola agba manfo na jukwa agba amado fo fia da ho oba yo duto agba na dom na fata jwa enya fiaga ka gbo fata katam majiba juana si mi akopere mi afanya jojon Du top na tight ma, nya pata ma sikpo. Du to agbana. Alaba o manyao, agbanya nto e masonya mowa. Ame alango na wana manyede. Manyi choko court. Global tight ma yomo laba du to. Ado Torgbuiga fanya. Man lam ya pon to mafia. So ga ko high court. Mi a journalist wa mi atima ba find out. Na gba mara chove fofia da ho. Ha handa go. Onya du to agbana. Majiba pata bi ona cho. Mima modaga agba. Mima modaga chow. America na ba do du to agbana da juyamo. Fika ojo. Haya be nya du to fanya. Ta flache da mada bubu wachi. Kaka funwa da ta fado masagba. Bubu ma nya nye aba America na madi. Ala ba nya no vi ogbavu wo ma. Ye nto fa mo galaba over egbokra ha. Magbo nya na mi kwenya ba vatajwa afiaga da kalon. Banya poso nya mi ko. Ajuna nyopa wana womia omila. Azoni da shara nya so fatana fa fatana nywa. Nya ba Torgbuiga Akpo Ashiakpor magangba do na jwa ba nya mazoga. Ajima da fonyan. Ma doga da vinya yo la yo nyama. Ma doga da wota. Kaka me oba juyana gbande. Ayi da ba jumavi wa miacho. Nyadaka nyamatin wogo. Nanyo kwa nyo na miakata. I want to thank the media. It's been a long journey. Sometimes very offensive and provocative. But I'm careful not to toe that line. But I want to state on record that I agree in totality with everything that was captured in the presser, as read by the legitimate Dishushiaga of Torgbuiga Adalache Kutosi, who is duly gazetted on that position. The one who spoke the last time, last week Friday. When you meet him, ask him what is his gazetted title. Yes. When he's able to provide it, then we can be talking. There are others who have been gazetted since 1959. We are not bothered how somebody gets his gazette. But the legitimate and the one we know will continue to protect them. The right thing must always be seen to be done. Until we begin to do the right thing, Ghana will not progress. And I expect the media, don't just be advocates, but be advocates for the truth and the right thing. Ask the relevant questions. The people who did the presser, begin to ask them the relevant questions. Where did they come from? Where were they? When did they arrive? How did they come to Weta? Let's know. If you said I'm an imposter, that is fine. I'm a chief, so you may hide behind the mirror and insult me. But the one who actually sanctioned your installation and outdooring, the one who raised you on top of the tree, you stand on the tree and spit on his head? Totally irresponsible. Johnny Atiye, William Joe Abaji, Torgbuiga Achiflam, Torgbuiga Bojo, and there's one here they are calling Dumaga Sofokantinka. They are the breakers of Weta. And the youth should know them for who they are. When they repent, we'll work with them. But until then, we'll challenge them at any time when they send the lies out. We want to thank you. We want to appreciate you. But let this go out that there's nothing like Duto Agbana in Weta. The one they have confined, they better remove him from the room because he remain there because of Weta. People will resist and fight them back. They will not bring him to Weta. Whoever is performing that tradition, Duto Panya, one is Torgbuiga Aqua, one is Torgbuiga, the other one. I want to remember the name. We know them all, those involved. One from Alakple, one from Angloga. They should remove that gentleman from the room and stop destroying Weta on my head. We'll fight and respond accordingly. I want to thank the media that when we need you, respond to us. The security architecture of Ketunov have betrayed me and betrayed all of us on a number of occasions. How can this gentleman be harmed like this? I want you to capture in the presence of the police, under the guise that the grounds is not safe. When they were doing their presser, did you see us there? How can it hurt all these people standing? Why? Are we not human beings? Can't we respond? I want to thank you. We are so grateful you are here. We expect you carry this message the same way or even in a better form, the way you carry theirs. God bless you all. Thank you.